Every Saturday morning, David visits the local market with his mother. The market is near their house, so they usually walk there together. David likes the local market because it is always busy and colorful. Many people come to the market to buy fresh food, clothes, and other things for their homes. David and his mother leave home at 9 o'clock. His mother carries a shopping bag, and David carries a small basket. "David, do we need vegetables today?" his mother asks. "Yes, Mom. We need tomatoes, potatoes, onions, and carrots," David answers. First, they go to the vegetable shop. A friendly shopkeeper stands behind a large table. Fresh vegetables fill the table. "Good morning. How much are these tomatoes?" David's mother asks. "They are 2 pounds a kilo," the shopkeeper says. His mother chooses some fresh tomatoes and puts them in her bag. Then she buys potatoes, onions, and carrots. David looks at the fruit section. He sees apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes. "Mom, can we buy some apples?" he asks. "Of course. Choose some good ones." David chooses 6 red apples. His mother pays for them, and they continue walking through the market. After that, they visit the bakery. The bakery smells wonderful. Fresh bread comes out of the oven, and many customers wait in a line. David loves fresh bread. He looks at the bread and smiles. "Can we buy some bread, Mom?" "Yes, we need 2 loaves." The baker gives them 2 fresh loaves of bread. David carefully puts the bread in the shopping bag. Then they visit a small grocery shop. His mother buys milk, rice, tea, and sugar. David sees his school friend, Bilal, in the shop. "Hello, Bilal. What do you do here?" David asks. "I come here with my father. We buy things for our home," Bilal replies. "Do you come to this market every Saturday?" "Yes, I do. My father likes this market because the prices are reasonable." David smiles and says, "I like it too." After shopping, David and his mother walk toward home. The shopping bags are heavy, but David happily carries one of them. On the way home, David looks at the busy streets. People buy food, talk to shopkeepers, and carry their shopping bags. "Mom, why do you like this market?" David asks. His mother smiles and says, "I like it because the people are friendly. The food is fresh, and we find almost everything here." David thinks about the visit. He learns that a market is not only a place to buy things, it is also a place where people meet, talk, and help each other. Finally, David and his mother reach home. They put the vegetables, fruit, and other things in the kitchen. David feels happy because he spends time with his mother and learns many useful things. Every Saturday, David visits the local market, and every visit teaches him something new. Present simple sentences from the story. David visits the local market. They walk there together. His mother carries a shopping bag. David likes fresh bread. His mother buys vegetables. People come to the market. The baker gives them fresh bread. David sees his friend. Bilal comes every Saturday. They buy things for their homes. Now here are some questions for practice. Question number 1. Where does David go every Saturday? A, to the park. B, to the local market. C, to the library. Question number 2. Where is the market? A, near their house. B, far of their house. C, at center of the city. Question number 3. With whom does David meet in the market? A, school friend Bilal. B, neighborhood Bilal. C, cousin Bilal. That's it today. Suggest me which story should be the next. If you liked the usage of present simple this way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more English grammar lessons.